Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok no internet connection tap to retry. If you are using TikTok on your iPhone or any Android phone and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to open your TikTok app, you see an error which is no internet connection. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you have to go back and just scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that your airplane mode is not enabled. If you're using airplane mode, so you just have to try to disable it, or you can also try to enable and disable it up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then try to switch between your Wi-Fi cellular data or try to connect with a strongest and a stable network connection. You can also try to open any website in your browser to check if your network is working properly. So if your network is not working properly, so you just have to try to connect with a stable and a strongest network connection. Then you have to simply go to settings app, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go back and go to App Store, go for search and search for TikTok. If you're using any Android, so go to Play Store and you have to just simply search for TikTok and check for updates for your TikTok app. If you find any pending update here, so you just have to try to update your app. Once you have updated, your issue must have to be fixed. If there will be new update issue in your TikTok app, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. If you're still facing the same issues, you have to simply go to settings app, go to screen time section and go to content and privacy restrictions and disable this setting to disable all the restrictions from your iPhone. So if your network usage is restricted for your TikTok apps, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. If you're using sellers, you have to go to settings, go to app section, and here just look for TikTok app. And you just have to enable this toggle to allow TikTok to use your mobile data or your cellular data. And once you have done, I recommend you how to try to make a forced restart to your iPhone to fix minor glitches with your iPhone. So not do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes to black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, open your settings app here. Go to general, go to iPhone storage here. Just look for your TikTok app and you just have to try to delete your app or you can also try to offload your app. So in case of offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or any malware under your TikTok app facing this or causing this issue, so it will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. So just simply try to delete or offload your app, and after offloading or deleting, just try to reinstall the app, and after installation your issue must have to be fixed and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.